So, are you trying to figure out how to use CapCut and you really don't know what to do and you just need a little bit of help? Then this video is for you. I'll be talking about how to make a YouTube intro from CapCut. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. Hey guys, so it's officially tutorial time and you know we're using the wonderful CapCut. So my recommendation is to start clip by clip. So here I would just pick your favorite photo that you want to be the intro photo for your YouTube channel and turn the format on 16:9 simply because that's what YouTube is built on in terms of viewing. And also there you can change your background to whatever your favorite color is. And then press remove background from that picture. Make sure it's a full body picture and that there's not too many backgrounds so that you can completely remove the background with just one press of the button. And then next you're going to put your name, so your first and last name or whatever your social media handle channel is, and you'll put that on either side of your body just so that you can like pop up between your name. And then also putting on shadow. I don't recommend a lot, that's simply because of how I like it, but you can of course put the maximum shadow. And then so you can have the same settings, I usually just copy the text from the first name and double it over for the last name. And then here you see I'm just trimming it so that I can match the length of my clip here, but I'll also be adding another video, so it kind of like defeats the purpose. But then also for this animation here, you want to do it to where it's sliding up and slower so it can be more of like a sexy look or whatever you're going for instead of rushed. And there you add another picture, and here you're going to be looking for a sticker. So we're going to be looking for the phone so that it can look like a screenshot of your iPhone and of your social media and whatever you want to promote. So a big thing is to cross promote within all of your platforms. And so here I just put connect with me because you want to do a call to action for your video so that people know what to do next, and you want them to be able to connect with you further after your YouTube video is done. So I simply put it in the middle, and you're going to be finding another sticker. And so I do the hearts simply because it equates in your mind to the like button. And then you see I'm adding the screenshot of my Instagram. I already did this before, and just maximizing the pictures so that I can match the size of the iPhone sticker. And there you go. So I always like replaying my clips to make sure that everything looks good. And here you see that I forgot to do the slide up animation so that it can be a cool intro, because you want your video to really grab the audience's attention throughout your YouTube video. You don't want it to just kind of be stale. So providing some different movement within it will definitely keep your audience in in attention of what your video is about. So next we are going to be doing the famous it's like video of me walking without the background, and it's adding an effect around my body, and everybody loved that favorite part. So pick a video to where there's not that much background and there you are very clear within the movement of that. So you see how basically the whole background was moved when I pressed remove background for this video. You can do it for videos and you can do it for pictures. And I'm just making sure that the size fits how I want it to be within my frame. And then also you'll be able to see the name of the filter, but you're adding this body effect so that it can kind of be lights going around your body to surround your body to kind of like make you pop out. It doesn't really look futuristic to me, it just looks classy and like, yes, I'm here, I'm walking in. And then next you want to do a text template to promote whatever social media channel you're wanting. They have a great TikTok one, which is why I continue to use this one for making my templates for other people as well as my own, simply because the TikTok's text template looks perfect, so why change it? And of course I'm going to do another play to see how it looks. See how it looks kind of too big for the screen. So so I just selected it again and minimized it so that I can fit what I want it to. And just checking to make sure that the video is still looking good and matching with my audio. You want to make sure that you're always cross-checking because it won't be like perfect, so you just need to make sure that everything is together within your video, because if it's one beat off, that could be what makes your views plummet. So here I'm finding the photo frames. So I put 3 simply because the song that I used previously to this is like, I think it's Always and Forever, so there's like a certain beat drop, so it hits every beat drop, a new picture pops up. And so you can see here I'm just selecting the stickers so it's easier to minimize them into the frame, because a lot of times that can be hard if you are just trying to press the screen to press the photo frame. So you want to press the sticker within the editing portion of CapCut, so it's easier to touch it and grab it and minimize the sticker photo frame or the Polaroid. And so here I'm moving them around, and next I'll be matching it up with how I want each of the clips to pop up. I don't want them all to come on the page at once, because of course you want to grab the attention of your viewers. So it's gonna go boom boom 1 2 3. So one's gonna appear first, the other one's gonna appear second, and the other one is gonna appear third. So it's not all like wow at the same time, because through this you want to continue to grab the attention of your viewers. So here I'm just picking a picture of me. I didn't necessarily use this for the other one because my whole behind is out, but this is the picture that I recommend using, and I recommend to do an overlay, because with adding another sticker on top of a sticker, you're gonna have to make sure that the order is correct, or the picture will pop up over the Polaroid, and that's not what you want. You want the picture to show up behind. As you can see with this Polaroid in the picture that I did for an overlay, instead of a sticker, it's showing up behind the Polaroid, so I don't have to worry about the photo order within editing, because that can definitely become a mistake that would happen when editing on CapCut. And so I'm going to do the same thing for the other videos. I'm just going to skip through it because it's just the same step over and over again, and matching it with when the Polaroid shows up. So I'm going to add another picture so that I can have a blank frame. So really what I do is I just press the picture that I added and drag it out of the frame, and then I just work with a blank slate there. That's just the easiest way that I found. And so next you're going to do kind of like another call to action for people to subscribe to you. And this is a sticker. So it's in the beginning with the power button sign. So you can see they have one. This app is free and wonderful. So they have a subscribe sticker here. And then I'm just trimming it to where I want when it hits the beat drop, it's going to say subscribe. And so what we're doing here is when there's also a mouse icon with the sticker. And so when the mouse comes up, it will click with quotation marks, of course, and it will be like the person pressed subscribe to be on your channel. And so here I've minimized it so that it can like fit and be a little bit more realistic in terms of a mouse on a screen. And I'm doing another animation so it can look like somebody's dragging their mouse to come and click the subscribe button. And you see how it's a little bit off, so don't be afraid to take your sticker and move it to where you want the endpoint to be and where you want it to be on the screen. Don't just add it and think it's going to be perfect. And so I'm seeing what I like. I'm going to trim it, and then I'm going to go to audio and look for the sound effects, so that when the cursor comes over to the subscribe button for you to press originally online, then it will have a click sound. So you'll be able to see this in this next step right here. And you literally search click and you press the one that's highlighted right there with that blue button that you saw, like mouse click, and it'll do click right when you want it. So that is the video. Don't forget to export your video and DM me a screen recording of your finished intro.